thunderstorm warning for southwestern Russell County in southwestern Virginia, northeastern Scott County in southwestern Virginia, western Washington County in southwestern Virginia, southeastern Wise County in southwestern Virginia, until 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:43 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 10 miles southwest of Cleveland, Virginia, or 12 miles west of Lebanon, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lebanon, St. Paul, Collingwood, Castlewood, Holston, Hansonville, and Benhams. The National Weather Service in Morristown has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for east central Russell County in southwestern Virginia, northeastern Washington County in southwestern Virginia, until 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:58 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Lebanon, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lebanon, Rendell, and Rosedale. The National Weather Service in Morristown has issued a severe thunderstorm.
Okay, if you, well, may have already have, but if you see me do this, it was me trying to lower my 254's, well, my 12-254's antenna, because of the bleeder that had fully extended. But yeah, all I was really doing was just lowering it a bit, so there wouldn't be much bleed through. If that made sense.
Siding and trees. Locations impacted include Service in Blacksburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Smyth County in southwestern Virginia, south central Tazewell County in southwestern Virginia, west central Grayson County in southwestern Virginia, until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, thunderstorm was located near Corey or near Chilhowie, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Marion, Saltville, Chilhowie, White Top, Sugar Grove, Troutdale, and Hungry Mother State Park. And now a special weather statement. At 3:21 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Hungry Mother State Park. I wonder if there's a Hungry Boy State Park, because that Hungry Boy is me.